Hi guys, it's Creations by Karen, and I'm coming to you today with a new craft for 2023. Well, it's new to me, but it's something that I was inspired by a channel called Lyric Lover Crafts. I'm just putting my own spin on it. So we're going to start out with 2 pieces of scrap cardstock that I just had in my stash, and I cut them down. And I cut them down at, measuring it for you, 5 1/4 by 8 1/2. 5 1/4 by 8 1/2, and you got to get 2 of these. And this is really nothing to this, but I think it's going to make a great craft that you're going to make for anyone that's kind of special for you. All right. So I just put front to back. All right. This is what we got so far. Got my Friskus thing. I might need that again for measuring. Okay, so we're going to start with these 2 things, and then we're going to put them in a bag. And I just had these in my stash, and I don't even know how wide they are, so I'll have to measure them. So these are 8 1/2 by 6, which is good. 8 1/2 by 6. And I'm just going to take these and I'm going to stuff them in my bag. Pretty easy, right? And I want to make sure this is at the bottom, the sticky part. I haven't taken the sticky off yet. So we're going to fill this with something. So on Lyric Lover Crafts, she put all sorts of stuff in hers. I'm going to do my own spin on it, and I got these fluffy stalks from, I think I got them from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to take that set of socks, and I'm just going to stuff it in here and hopefully come right to the top. And I think this would be a great addition to a craft show if you're having a craft show. All right, so they're in there. Good. But you know what? I think I'm going to put this on the other side because my sticky part is there. So, put this in here. There we go. Make sure it's all the way to the top if you can, and you have a little bit of room at the bottom. Don't need a whole lot. So the second thing we're going to put in it is candy cane, a full-size candy cane. And I just stick it on top of the sock, just like so. And then I got this Laura Secord hot chocolate. That's going to go in there too. And I'm just going to just put it up here in the right corner, left for you. Just like this. So that looks good. Okay, so we got a pair of socks, some hot chocolate and candy cane so far. And then I got this pack of Orville Redenbacher light and buttery popcorn. I'm going to take a package of this out. And I'm going to stick it right in here, underneath the sock, sort of. And about right below, well, kind of right here by the hot chocolate. And that looks good. So this isn't really going to go anywhere. And then I got a full-size caramel chocolate bar. I try not to get anything with nuts if I can help it. And I'm just going to stick this in here. Just like that. And remember, it's going to fall to the bottom, and that's okay. All right, is there anything else I should put in this? I don't think so. So you're just going to take this. It needs to be great for, like, anybody, really. Your neighbors, co-workers, whatever you like. And I'm just going to come to the back. And I'm going to take the sticky part off here. And you can make this any way you want. Totally your call. Does anybody find this stick to you? Sticks to you. And then what I'm going to do is just put this down just like that. And this caramel will fall. And that's what you want. All right? So then I thought, in my infinite brilliance, but I shouldn't have closed that, but I might be able to stick it on the back. I've got, let's see here, where do I have it? Here I have it. Okay, I have the contents of this pack that I put in here. Your cozy pack includes warm fuzzy socks, a full-size chocolate bar, hot cocoa, candy cane, and popcorn. And I think I'm just going to stick this on the back of it so people know the contents of it. That's what's important, because I'll ask. And all you need to do is grab some sticky tape. I'm just going to put sticky tape on the back of it. And this is 1/4 inch, and I got this at Dollar Tree. And what I like to do is really make sure it's secure. That's just me, so it doesn't fall off. And if you wanted to, you could even stick it inside the cellophane, which I might do. Yeah, I think I might do that. And that way you don't have to use so much tape. Let's go ahead and do that. So let's take this apart. Remember, this is at the bottom. And if I put this in there, it's going to be like you don't have to worry about it falling off, which I think is key. So I'm just going to take this, and the side that this would be the back, I'm just going to open this up and just stick it in there. Of course, I should have done it before it went in the bag. Because I want it to look like centered. That looks good. See how I put it in there? I know this is backwards. I'll post a picture of it. Okay, there you go. So let's reseal this. Like that. So it's sticking in the back of it, and it's under the cellophane, which I think, in retrospect, it was a great idea. And then I got a tag. I made a tag for it. And this is just my inspiration. You can do whatever you want, but mine says, the holidays are busy. We all know that's true, which they are. Grab a movie and this cozy pack and make some time for you. I like it. So I'm just going to take some twine, red and white twine, because the theme of my booth is going to be red and white. Stick this in here. But I'm not going to do anything except put one knot in it. Because I'm going to put a bow on it. Because you're going to make it pretty. So just pull this in. Just like that. You don't have to do it this way. You can stick it down any way you want. But I think this is cute. I like it. Okay. So that's good. So then I've got some red and white ribbon. And I use an arm's length of it. How do I know how long it is? No idea. It's an arm's length. I would say it's probably 2 feet anyway. Just depends how big your bag is, I guess. And I'm just going to make a nice bow on it. So you come around the top, leave some space here, because we're going to put something there. Here's your cozy pack. I want to make sure that it doesn't cover up. It works perfect. And this is not double-sided ribbon. I got this at my Costco. All right, so then I take my tag that I got. Where did I put it? Right here. And I'm going to affix this now to this. Bow. Somehow I think this is going to work and it might not, but whatever, we're going to give it a go. And I'm just going to tie this here. Pretty snugly. Cut that excess off. So you can move it if you want to. So here's my ribbon I've got. I'm going to make a bow, nice bow. I don't secure this to the packaging at all. So then I can move it around. So just put a simple bow here. Just remember this is one-sided ribbon, not two. That's okay, we're gonna make this work. Just pull this, because I don't want the bow to override anything. That looks like the perfect size. And I know I'm using, like, there's excess ribbon. That's okay. This is last year's stuff. Just ducktail the ends. So it looks pretty. So this is not two-sided. So you just got to flip that around. Just do that. Just make it look pretty. What you want to do, and I want to put something in this corner, I think. So I've got this, I found this in my stash. These are Christmas chipboard stickers that I got at my local Dollarama. I live in Canada, and it was $1, so it's a couple of years old, obviously. This is sure ain't $1 anymore. And I just want to grab one and put it on here. So I kind of really like the snowman globe, this one here. And just for a little extra protection, I'm going to put a piece of double-sided tape on it, just to make sure it stays where I want it to. That's just me, you don't have to do it. I'm sure if you're just giving this to somebody, it'd be fine. Just take that double-sided tape, and I'm going to put it on the very top where this hot chocolate is. And it just adds a little bit of something extra. And that's it. That is it. This is my cozy pack inspired by Lyric Lever Crafts. I'm sure you have somebody that you can give this to. That's it. That's it. So go ahead and make them. If you're going to be making stuff for your neighbors or coworkers or friends, and you want to give them a little something. How much do we have involved? Well, I paid $1.50 for the socks at my local Dollar Tree. It's a full-size chocolate bar. I think I got it at Costco, and I got probably 20 in a box, and I think I only paid 19, so maybe it was $1. And everything else I kind of had in my stash. Popcorn, it was probably $3, maybe 4. I think they were on sale when I got them. Yeah, so I don't have a lot invested in this, and I think this would be a really good, cute gift to give, you know, someone that means something to you. And then you know they're crazy busy during the holidays. So that's it, guys. Go ahead and make them. Let me know what you think. Make sure you hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any more tutorials on stuff I'm making for my craft show. That's it, guys. Have a great day. Bye now.